Hi, this is Beyblade here, and today I have a unboxing video, my first unboxing video in my new channel. So I have a parcel from fcard.com. So there is the box. I cannot show the front one because my address in there. So this is the box, and I ordered two Beyblades. This which one I don't know. Here is have my another box. You can see two boxes. Now I open this first one. So here's my cutter. Let's get to unboxing. I'm so excited. So I open the box and you get a cardboard piece, and there is my day. Very nice. And now I'm ready. Oh my god. So I have that Quetzalcoatl one, and there you have that Quetzalcoatl 125 RDF. And this is background school and trichotomy, and this is very nice. And this is the back. You can see you get the other Beyblades here you can buy, and this is the front face bolts, energy ring, Quetzalcoatl, and fusion wheel. That and this have two modes. I show it later. So this is the spin track 125, and the performance tip is RDF. My favorite tip is RDF, so I love this bay. And this is the balance type. So it's the bay, and let's get to unbox it. I cut jump to my unboxing video, and this is the bay. I open it, and which comes two instruction sheet. You can see here's the first one. This is the Death Quetzalcoatl, and the second one here. Here is the same Death Quetzalcoatl. Very funny. And here's the bay. I can show it later. So here's the you get a red rice spinning launcher and a green ripcord and a golden tool. And here is the face bolt. You can see here's the face bolt, Quetzalcoatl, and here is the clear wheel. This is the fusion wheels, and this have two mode, and this one is attack mode, and this one is defense mode. Defense mode is no gaps inside, so you can put it like that. And this is attack mode. You can see gaps here. So this is the fusion wheel. Now the normal 125 spin track, and my favorite RDF rubber flag, rubber defense flag. I like this so much. So let's get to assemble the bay. So here is the bay, that Quetzalcoatl. It's in my 1 second. My camera does not focus on. Okay, let's do it. And this is that Quetzalcoatl 125 RDF. Sorry, RDF. Very nice bay. And this is my unboxing video in my new channel. This is my first unboxing video. So hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video, share it with your friends, and comment below. And the giveaway I make it very soon, so stay tuned for that. And subscribe my channel please.